Hey Panthers, I've got another challenge for you. The snow has melted, so we're gonna go outside and we're gonna take care of art, music, and PE with one activity. We're gonna go on a walk, we're gonna look for natural objects to make an art project out of and gather them while we're on our walk. And we're gonna sing with our family while we are doing that. So, come with me, we are gonna take care of business. All right, Panthers, we're gonna try this lesson. We, my family, all agreed that we like this idea, making art inspired by the famous British artist Andy Goldsworthy. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna try to get art, music, and PE credit in one afternoon. We are gonna go on a walk and look for natural objects that we find, and then we're gonna bring it back to our house and make some art inspired by Andy Goldsworthy. Andy Goldsworthy makes beautiful art out of things that he finds in nature.
These are the items I found on the walk. I found a branch to a tree, a branch to a bush, a really cool pigeon feather, a cat, what is that, cattail? A thing, I don't know if this is, a piece of grass, and a pigeon feather, and I stuck them all in on a pine cone.
Awesome job. Leela, what did you make?
I don't exactly know, but I tried to copy the sun, and I have like the lines out of it.
And where did you find all your items?
On the walk we went.
Hillcrest Kids, this is my art project. You may not recognize what it is, but it's actually a tree. As you can see, this top part is kind of like most of the time the giant bush on top. And then there's the branches with pine cones in them.
Awesome. Where did you find all these things you're making your art with?
On the walk. And also, as you can see, this stone represents the ground. And these are the fallen leaves. And this giant thing here, you may ask, what is it? But it's actually the roots that go into the ground.
Making there, Mom. We're gonna make a lizard out of these rocks. We found some dark ones and some brown ones. And this is gonna be the lizard's body. And then we're gonna turn him into having some legs too. So he's gonna have legs in the back. Ooh, and he's gonna have legs in the front. All right, Hillcrest Panthers, I hope this inspired you to get outside, get active, get creative, and get musical. We want every one of our Hillcrest Panthers to participate in art, music, and PE once every week. We want to be the first school that has 100% participation in specials. After you finish these activities and you're active, creative, and musical, please don't forget to go to the Hillcrest Specials website and submit forms letting us know that you have done so. I miss each and every one of you Panthers. I hope this finds you and your families happy, healthy, and safe.